You love your service business, but there are moments when you think,
how can I get more out of my business?
for those who want to get more business without adding extra work, we created SimplyBook.me. It's a one-stop business solution that helps you manage your bookings, sales, and marketing efforts. And it's so flexible that it can work for any type of service business.
And how does it work?
Let me explain. To get more bookings, let's add a booking widget into your website.
Okay.
If you've just started and don't have a website, no worries. You can choose from dozens of templates.
Oh, I like this one. Can I add my logo here?
Of course, templates are fully customizable. You can change the colors, images, and texts, describe your services, and go online today.
I can't wait to share the link with my clients.
It not only helps your existing clients, but also brings in new ones. Now, they can book your services via your website, Facebook, Instagram, and even Google Maps.
So this means fewer phone calls?
Yes, now your clients can book your services online at any time.
Wow, that's cool. Hopefully they'll remember.
No worries, we take care of that too. To reduce no-shows, SimplyBook.me sends automatic reminders both by email and text.
But what about increasing revenues per client? Can they help with that too?
You can offer coupons and promotions, send marketing emails and reminders, sell products, service add-ons and gift cards to boost your sales. And before you ask, yes, you can accept online payments and deposits.
Cool.
With the mobile admin app, you can always access your booking calendar and business stats. So enjoy some time to yourself and watch your sales grow while SimplyBook.me manages the rest.